Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our topic is subtraction. Today our topic is subtraction. Lecture number 13 and HW number 12. Okay, HW number 12 and topic is subtraction. Dear student, today I also need some basic concept. At first I will show you how can we count your finger. Okay, look, you see my finger, you see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like this way you can count your finger. Okay, if I ask you, say where is 5, you say sir, starting from here to here this is 5. If I say where is 6, you say sir, starting from here to here this is 6. Okay, like this way you have to count your finger. Okay, now I will teach you subtraction. Subtraction are two types: subtraction with carrying and subtraction without carrying. Subtraction are two types: subtraction with carrying and subtraction without carrying. Okay, look, you see the A number questions. You see this is 8 and this is 8. So we can subtract easily 8 to 8. Okay. So this is called subtraction without carrying. This is called subtraction without carrying. You see the B number. This is 4 and this is 5. This is greater than this number. Okay. This is 0 and this is 5. So 0 is smaller than 5. Okay. So you have to consider 0 as a 10. So this is a subtraction with carrying. So this type of subtraction is called subtraction with carrying. Okay. Now I will solve A number questions. Look, you see 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 equal to what? 0. Right here 0. 4 minus 0 equal to what? 4. Right here 4. 4 minus 1 equal to what? 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Right here 3. Now write the answer 340. Okay. But you have to practice subtraction with carrying. This is very, very important for you. Okay. Look, I will solve now question number B. At first you see this is 0 and this is 5. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. So you have to consider 0 as a 5. This 0 as a 10. 0 as a 10. Now you have to subtract 5 from 10. Okay. How can we count your finger? You see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. That means if you subtract 5 from 10, then you get 5. So you write here 5. Okay. As you consider 0 as 10, so you have 1 in your hand. So you add this one to 4. That means 1 plus 4. This is equal to what? 5. Now you have to subtract 5 from 9. Okay, 5, you see 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 4. Right here 4. Now write the answer. Answer 45. Now you see the question number C. Again you see this is 2 and this is 9. as this is smaller than 9, so you consider 2 as a 12. Again see, this is 4 and this is 3. So we cannot subtract 4 from 3. So you consider 3 as a 13. Again see, this is 3 and this is 5. As this is greater than, that means 5 is greater than 3. So no need to consider. Okay? Let's now solve. Look, 2, you consider 2 as a what number? 2 as a what number? 12. Okay, now you have to subtract 9 from 12. How can you count your finger? 9, 10, 11, 12. That means what? That means 3. Right here, 3. Right here, 3. As you consider 2 as a 12, so you have 1 in your hand. Okay. Now add this 1 to this 4. Then this will be 5. And 3 as a 13. Now you have to subtract 5 from 13. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That means how many number? 8. Right here, 8. Okay. Again, you see, as you consider 3 as a 13, so you have 1 in your hand. So 1 plus this 3 equal to what? 4. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Now you subtract 4 from 5. Then we get 1. Okay. Now 1 remains same. That means we get 1183. Right? The answer 1183. Understood, dear student? Dear student, as this is difficult, so I will repeat again. Look, this is smaller and this is greater. Okay? So you consider, you see, this is greater and this is the smaller. So we cannot subtract 9 from 2. So you consider 2 as a 12. Now you subtract 9 from 12. 9, you see 9, 10, 11, 12. That means what? 1, 2, 3. Right here, 3. Okay. As you consider 2 as a 12, so you have 1 in your hand. You add that one to this 4, then we get 5. Now you have to subtract 5 from this 13. Here 3 means 13. Okay, now count your finger. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That means how many number? 8. Right here, 8. As you consider 3 as a 13, so you have 1 in your hand. Okay, so you add that 1 to 3. That means 3 plus 1, 4. Now you subtract this 4 to 5. 5 minus 4 equal to 1. And 1, 1. There is no number. So 1 remain same. This is the answer. Now you see the question number D. Okay, you see this is question number C. This D number and E number both are subtraction without carrying. Subtraction without carrying. Look, 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 equal to what? 9 minus 4 equal to, you see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means what? 5. Right here, 5. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 equal to what? 7 minus 5. 5, 6, 7. So only the answer 25. Right here answer 25. Similarly, you have to solve E number. Okay? Look, this is 9 and this is 2. So subtract 2 from 9. Okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Okay, dear student, look. 2, you subtract 2 from 9. That means what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means what? 7. Right here, 7. Similarly, you subtract 2 from 9, then you get 7. Similarly, you subtract 2 from 9, then you get 7. Okay, 9 minus 2 is equal to what? 7. Okay, that means you get the result 7,777. Write the answer. 7, 7, 7. Okay. Dear student, I hope you understood today's discussion. Now I will talk about our HW. Look, you see HW number 12. A number, B number you see. This is subtraction without carrying. This is also subtraction without carrying. Okay, this is also subtraction without carrying. Okay, this is also subtraction without carrying. Only D number is subtraction with carrying. Okay, try to solve this. Dear student, your assigned HW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your HW copy, you will get your CT marks and SBI marks. Okay, you have to submit all of your HW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and you collect these HW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these HW copies. Dear student, I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home and avoid by your friends. You stay safe, stay well. See you again.